Hey everybody, I'm here with my son McKeon, who's sitting here chilling with me as I'm updating some Twitter stuff and thinking of some new material for my podcast. But I decided and wanted Mr. McKeon, this little guy right here, to join me. So he's just been chilling in my lap. He's been pretty cool. Let me look at this film. That shit, well, he seems a little confused. I love Daddy. It should explain itself. It really should. Are you confused? I'm not. He's not. You shouldn't be. Feel the love. Feel the love. Yes, and that's Chris Tomlin in the background. In case anybody was planning to either point that out or sue me.